Or just like, where's my husband? Where is he?
You've all seen the runway map, yeah?
Everyone's got like a little character. There's bunnies and there's pirates.
We have two spectrums. We've got the Cherub to Rabbit spectrum and the Siren, Succubus to Pirate spectrum. So Ava is full pirate, obviously. Veronica is also full pirate, but we're all on that spectrum.
They put me up first. Oh, the star of the show. I think my dress deserves to be first though. It's so gorgeous, I can't wait.
The look started out like sort of natural, glowy, blushy, and then they got to like, you're a kind of absolutely terrifying rabbit, which is Elliot's full rabbit. Full rabbit.
I'm a little bunny rabbit. I got my little apron.
You're pirates, so I feel like you can be a little bit more strong and a little bit scary. I feel like you could be like smiling at people. You got it.
It freaks funny.